What up, guys? This is Holdyn with the Iowa Gearheads. Cole, I think, is at home sleeping. Nick's at work. Today I'm just kind of working on the beast a little bit. It started leaking oil through, I believe, the oil pan, the heads, the valve, and everything. And so what I've got kind of started already a little bit was I took the air filter housing and everything out, and that's it right here. The guy who owned it before me painted this green. Kind of looks cool, but it'll get a cold air intake soon, someday maybe. But this is how the air filter looks, and yeah, get it good. Ugh. Smells like fuel and burnt oil. I don't know if you guys can see, there's like sludge in there. So yeah, that's what we're working on today. I forgot something. So, when you're taking stuff apart, it helps to keep everything organized so everything goes back right where it should. So, what you need to have, wherever mine are at, what's very nice to have to keep everything organized is handy dandy little sandwich bags. So that way you can keep bolts where they need to go. You can label what they need to go to. That way, one, you don't lose them. Two, everything goes back where it should, like it's supposed to. That's not a 10. There we go. Well, it's kind of cold. My hands are starting to go numb. So, take a little break for a while. But, we got this nice throttle body off. Nice and dirty, and so we might try to clean that up a little bit. As we're taking it apart, we'll start cleaning and everything, make everything all nice and purty. Since we're doing new gaskets and everything, might as well, right, while you got it apart. For now, we're gonna take a little break. See ya.